Identify a specimen of Rhus typhina. The following features may be of assistance. The semi-mature bark is a red-brown, often with a rather silvery tinge to the edge, and a number of rather irregular light brown lenticels. But the surface of the twigs is much more useful in identification, being highly pubescent, reminiscent of a stag's horns when in velvet. The flowering head is conic, light green in colour with little touches of yellow where flowers are actively open, and rather irregular in shape. And from this flower head develops the persistent fruit, changing to a dark crimson, often going to a very dark brown, and persisting into the next season at the twig ends of this shrub-stroke tree. The form of the tree typically breaking into a number of co-dominant branches relatively low on the stem, reaching heights of about 4 to 5 metres at best, but becoming very wide and potentially proliferating by a number of suckers. On the spray, the leaves are alternate, and the very pubescent nature of the thick twigs is very noticeable close up to the plant. The leaves imparipinnate, rather neat in appearance, typically of 15 leaflets, dark green above, pale grey-green below. The leaflets sublanceolate, sometimes with an acuminate tip, serrate along the leaf margin, and borne in opposite pairs with a terminal leaflet. And finally, the winter buds alternate, covered in long grey pubescent hairs, actually rather pointed, brown, small structures set on the very pubescent twigs.